everyone, and welcome to the Deco Diva channel. I'm Cora, your guide to all things home decor inspiration. Today, we're diving into one of the most timeless and charming styles, French country. If you've been dreaming of a warm, inviting space with rustic elegance, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore how to bring the beauty and grace of French country style into your own home. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below telling me your favorite aspect of French country decor. Your support means the world to me. Now, let's get started on transforming your space with provincial perfection. French country style, also known as provincial style, is all about creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that reflects the beauty of the French countryside. It's a style that blends rustic charm with elegant, time-worn details. Think sun-kissed wooden furniture, soft, muted colors, and a sense of effortless luxury. The key is to balance comfort and sophistication with a relaxed, lived-in feel. At the heart of French country style is the connection to nature. The materials used are often inspired by the countryside itself. Think raw wood, stone, and linen. This approach creates a harmonious, serene atmosphere that instantly feels welcoming. Incorporating these elements into your home will make it feel like you've stepped into a charming farmhouse in the heart of Provence. To achieve the French country look, there are a few key elements that you'll want to focus on. First, you'll need furniture that feels both rustic and elegant. Weathered wood, curved lines, and vintage-inspired pieces are perfect. For example, look for a distressed wood dining table or a soft, linen-upholstered sofa. Another essential element is the use of soft, neutral colors. Whites, creams, and soft pastels are the foundation of French country decor. These colors evoke a sense of calm and tranquility, creating the perfect backdrop for the room. You can also add subtle touches of vibrant colors like lavender or soft green to give the space a fresh, airy feel. French country style is all about blending the outdoors with the indoors. So, incorporating natural elements into your decor is a must. Consider adding some beautiful greenery in terracotta pots, or display fresh flowers in antique vases for a pop of color and life. Lavender, sunflowers, and roses are all traditional flowers that evoke the essence of the French countryside. If you're fortunate enough to have access to outdoor space, try to connect your indoor and outdoor areas by bringing in elements like wooden shutters, wicker furniture, or even a small herb garden by the window. These touches will make your home feel like it's part of the landscape, welcoming the beauty of nature inside. A major feature of French country decor is the use of rustic, distressed wood. Whether it's exposed beams, antique wooden furniture, or wooden flooring, this element brings a sense of age and authenticity to the space. The finish doesn't have to be pristine. In fact, the more weathered, the better. For example, consider investing in a reclaimed wood table or a vintage armoire with chipped paint. These pieces have a story to tell, and they're perfect for adding character to any room. Distressed finishes give your home a lived-in charm, making it feel cozy and welcoming while still maintaining a sense of elegance. Fabrics play an essential role in creating a French country ambience. Linen, in particular, is a staple fabric in this style. It's soft, breathable, and brings a relaxed elegance to your space. Consider using linen for draperies, tablecloths, or even throw pillows to add texture and sophistication. Another signature fabric of French country style is toile. This printed fabric often features pastoral scenes, animals, or floral designs. It's perfect for accent pillows, bed linens, or even upholstery. The romantic, vintage feel of toile will instantly transport your home to a charming French countryside villa. Lighting in a French country home is all about creating a soft, warm glow. Opt for chandeliers with a vintage or antique look, especially ones made from wrought iron or wood. These light fixtures add a touch of elegance without being too flashy. Table lamps with fabric shades or lantern-style lights can also help set the mood. Aim for lighting that's both functional and beautiful. The key is to avoid harsh, bright lights in favor of softer, warmer options that will create a cozy atmosphere throughout your space. The kitchen is the heart of any French country home. Here, you'll want to focus on creating a warm, welcoming environment. Start with wooden cabinetry, preferably in muted shades like cream or light gray. Open shelving can also help achieve that rustic, casual look. Don't forget about the details. Copper pots, vintage kitchen tools, and classic ceramic dishes all play a role in creating the French country vibe. Add a linen runner or a bouquet of fresh flowers on the kitchen table, and you'll have a space that's both functional and full of charm. When it comes to accents, French country style embraces both elegance and simplicity. Look for vintage-style mirrors, ornate picture frames, and French provincial artwork. These pieces add a touch of class to any room. Incorporate baskets for storage, antique clocks, and decorative ceramic pitchers to complete the look. These accessories not only serve a practical purpose but also add layers of interest and texture to your space, enhancing the overall French country feel. In French country homes, comfort is key. To create a cozy environment, layer textures throughout your space. Mix soft, luxurious fabrics like velvet and linen with more rustic ones like burlap or cotton. This combination adds depth and warmth to any room. For an extra touch of comfort, consider adding some plush throws or quilts, especially in neutral or faded floral patterns. These textiles are perfect for making your home feel warm and inviting, especially during the colder months. One of the most delightful aspects of French country style is the use of vintage and antique finds. Whether it's a reclaimed wood table, an old French armchair, or a weathered mirror, these pieces help give your home a sense of history and authenticity. You don't need to have an entire collection of antiques, just a few well-placed vintage pieces can make a significant impact. Shop local flea markets, estate sales, or online vintage stores to find items that add character and tell a story. The beauty of French country style is that it feels relaxed without compromising on elegance. Your space should feel like a retreat, a place where you can unwind and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. The furniture should be comfortable, and the decor should evoke a sense of warmth and hospitality. Achieve this atmosphere by carefully curating your space. Avoid overcrowding with too many accessories or furniture pieces. Instead, focus on creating a peaceful, balanced environment with a few statement pieces and plenty of breathing room. And that's a wrap on how to transform your space with the timeless elegance of French country style. I hope you're feeling inspired to create a cozy, rustic, yet sophisticated atmosphere in your home. Remember, the key to French country decor is all about blending comfort with charm. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a home decor tip from Deco Diva. Until next time, stay inspired and happy decorating.